Tar Block 1 project in Pakistan Tar Desert is part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. It aims to strengthen the local electricity infrastructure by developing the tar coalfields, which is one of the world's largest lignite reserves. Since 2019, LIEBHERR Mining has been a trustworthy long-term partner for Shanghai Electric. Our collaboration began the project's first year already. LIEBHERR, working alongside Chinese Asian Chlorides, ensures timely responses to Shanghai Electric's inquiries and concerns. We are incredibly proud that LIEBHERR's expertise in design, in manufacturing, in quality control, logistics, and support on spot in the mine site exceeded Shanghai Electric's expectations. It is the trust they have in LIEBHERR that led them to place an order for 28 units LIEBHERR R9100 G6 excavators in 2019 and another 4 units in the year 2022.